Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest build of Windows 10, which is the October 2018 update build, or Redstone 5. It's 17758, was released yesterday, September 11th, and of course this is pretty much another build that has not too much to offer, but there's one little thing, and we're going to talk about it. It's in this storage sense. So of course, if we look at the Windows version and the fact that there's no watermark on the bottom right, we are at 17758, and this is of course the continuation of getting closer and closer to the real deal of on the October 2018 update. Installed itself, I wasn't there to see it, but seemed to have worked pretty much flawlessly from what I see. It took, I did see that it took about 2.5 hours, which is this, same time always on this machine for the preparation phase. And I was not home, so I actually restarted from a remote on my phone using TeamViewer, and basically restarted the machine, which I guess updated well, because when I came back home, it was at 17758. So what's new in here? Well, there's improvements in storage sense. So storage sense is that feature where they optimize the storage on your device, especially when you have low disk space. It's kind of nice because it will actually, if you want, free up automatically, so you can turn on the free automatically the space on my hard drive by basically checking out older files and basically removing what's too old and that's not being used in a while. Of course, you can free up space now. What they've added as a capability is interesting in storage sense, is that you can now actually free the content of your hard drive. So for example, here you see OneDrive content will become online only if not open for more than. And so here we could say, let's say I'm going to say 60 days. So basically what's going to happen now is that if you have content on your hard drive and it's synced to your OneDrive online, it can actually remove it from your computer but keep it online. And of course you have the number of days here, so they're kind of improving storage sense to make it a little more efficient and work better. So basically this is kind of cool, and it's a lot of interesting features that are worth it to keep. I think storage sense is going in the right direction, and they're tweaking it to make it better. They're saying that starting with build 17720, they started adding new capabilities and making storage sense behavior a little better. So this is, improvements, and if you are running low on disk space, it's a great idea, and it's a great thing because it's going to automatically free space that you might need. Apart from that, of course, it's general changes and improvements. They did a lot of fixes. There's a known issue with narrator sometimes does not read in the settings app, so that's something that they are going to fix probably in one of the coming builds. Pretty much. Of course, this has been working since this morning. I've been using this. I streamed the Apple keynote. I did a lot of things with here. What I gotta say is that it seems very stable, very good. Had no issues at all. In one of the new features for the coming October 2018 update, I wanted to kind of show that the new way of the search in Cortana search is being improved. So you've got a little more options on the left side, first of all. So going home, you have of course the ability to look at notebooks and manage skills and organize. You've got kind of a better way of doing things. You can set up your Cortana device, which is not available in the older version, April 2018. And you've got also your avatar available for going into your account and your permissions and history of your account. So this is kind of nice. But what is also nice in the October 2018 update is, of course, a wider page. So when you actually click here, the page is much wider. You have more information. And of course, when you search for an app, so say I'm looking for Word, not only will it actually suggest Word, it also opens up on the right side of panel where you can open Word, you can open a blank page, you can open a recent document that you might have been working on. So this is much more improved. You've got, of course, new capabilities of searching for these information. So now you've got, you want apps, you want documents, you want email, web, or more. So you'll get a lot more information in here, which is kind of nice. And if you're looking for information about something, what's happening is that you can actually look at web results directly within the page if you want. So of course it opens it if you want, but if you're searching for some capabilities or something, you will of course have capabilities of web information that can appear all here. For example, if I click web, you'll have all the latest news about hurricanes and the top headlines, and of course, for example, Hurricane Florence right now, which seems to be a big dangerous beast, and I really hope that if you're in the vicinity of where it's going to landfall, that you'll stay safe. So anyways, they've improved this. It's actually nice. It has more information. It has enough information that sometimes you might have the information you need without even having to open the web browser, which is kind of cool. I really like that. I like the fact that they've changed this. It has more information and it's much better to use, honestly. So pretty cool, honestly. Really like the new way that the Cortana search box and the panel, which has much more information, has been done. Apart from that, works great. Have no issues at all. I don't know about you guys. I've seen a few of your posts saying that it seemed to work for a lot of you. So hopefully it does. And well, we're of course online with going slowly towards the next version of Windows, which should fall in a couple of weeks in our insider machines. So it's not time yet to remove yourself from the insider builds, but we're getting there slowly, and of course when you can, I will of course let you know. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.